Good day guys, welcome back to MSTC online tutor. In this tutorial video I'll be teaching you the implicit differentiation shortcut. Now whenever you have an implicit question, let's say x squared y minus 3x y squared plus 4x minus 2y equals to 4, just like this, how do you know implicit question? You will always see that x will multiply y, and also they will tell you to find what dy dx. So to find dy dx, I'll be giving you a formula that will solve this implicit problem in less than 10 seconds. That's if you're very fast with your differentiation, but then I will show you the step by step to solving this, because you really need to understand the step. Now the formula is dy dx equals to minus open bracket dx over dy. If you notice, you see that I'm calling it di, I'm not calling it d. So because dx means differentiating partially in respect to x, and dy means differentiating partially in respect to what? Y. Now how do you do that? It means if you want to dx, you will keep everything that is not x to be a constant, and also if you want to dy, you keep everything that is not y to be a constant. So now let's look at this question, but then before you solve it, just take note of one thing. Your right hand side, what is there? This one is a constant, so I will always advise that you equate this thing to 0 before solving, in case if you have a function of x or a function of y that is something that carry x or carry y at the right hand side. So let's start solving. Solution, I said you should equate it to 0. X squared y minus 3x y squared plus 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. So now your answer in one line is dy dx equals to minus open bracket. Now we want to dx. That means everything that is not x is a constant, so I'll keep this as a constant. I will differentiate it. That will give me what? 2xy. Now I'll differentiate here in respect to what? X. I'll get minus 3y squared, because if you differentiate x, you will get what? 1. So 1 times this, because they are constant. Now if I differentiate 4x, I will get plus 4. Now if I differentiate minus 2y, I will get 0, because it is what? Is a constant. And if I differentiate minus 4, I will get 0, because it's a constant. So that's my numerator over. Now the denominator we want to what? We want to dy. So now everything that is not y will become what? A constant. This is a constant. I will differentiate y. What do I get? I get 1. So here it will be x squared minus, now I'm differentiating in respect to y. X is a constant, I will leave it. So if I differentiate y squared, I will get what? 2y. I will get 2y. 2y will multiply 3x, so this one will be minus 6x what? Y. Now this is a constant, is not carrying y. If I differentiate it, I will get what? 0. Now if I differentiate minus 2y, I will get minus 2. If I differentiate 4, which is a constant that is not carrying y, I will get 0. So believe you me, this is your final answer in simple step. You can only open the bracket, that's the only thing you can do here, or you factor out common factor if possible, if there's any. So this is your final answer. You can write it as minus 2xy plus 3y squared minus 4 over x squared minus 6xy minus 2. So that is how to answer implicit question. That's how to solve for dy dx implicitly without wasting any time. Remember the formula, dy dx equals to what? Minus dx over dy, and that will give you your answer anytime, any day. Make sure you share this video with your friends, subscribe, like, so that you will get more shortcut video. Thank you very much.